In the TIA Portal Project View, open a working window and click the Information tab in the Details window, and then click the Cross References tab. The Cross References window opens. Highlight a tag in the working window. The Count Reset tag is used in Network 1 of SC10, My New Block. This tag is used in one location only. The Preset Value tag is used in Network 1 of SC10 also, and it is used in one location only as well. The Count Value tag is used in two locations in the project, Network 1 of SC10 and Network 2 of OB1. Note that the point of use listings are links to the location. We will click the OB1 location to see how the tag is used. The cross-reference link takes us to the point of use in OB1, Network 2, where it is used as the input to a move block. In troubleshooting, we may need to find why an operation has not been initiated. We can look at the condition for the operation and trace its origin using the cross-reference tool. The cross-reference tool is easy to use and very beneficial in troubleshooting and signal tracing.